a bandsaw for sectioning or the body or the limbs. It has this platform which is stainless steel, and this part is also stainless steel. It moves in both the directions, and then there is one adjustment here for cutting the distance. You can do what you can open it. This is the height of the adjustment, and then you can use the depth, and then there is an adjustment here for pushing it. You can open it and then adjust so that this blades is properly set. On the right side there is a window to check up the wheel movement is there. I show you inside the wheel. There is one motor inside about 2 HP, and one wheel is there. The blade moves on the wheel, and this can be moved by up and down so that you can tighten it so that it is properly moving, and take care that it is not tight or loose. There are 2 points, for one to this front and one is at the bottom. So if you have to open it, clean it, and you have to open both of them. These are on the back side there is a connection for power for 2 HP motor. Take care, wheels are there, it's very heavy, keep it, and it is for the medical college to use. Please visit the website www.abronexports.com, info@abronexports or abron01@gmail.com. Thank you very much.